Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Iklota Techno. And today we are going to create the Gmail ID in our device, or device means mobile. By using your mobile we are going to create a new Gmail ID. I will give you some simple steps that you can follow and can create the Gmail ID like anything. So I will demonstrate how to create the Gmail ID without giving the phone number. Okay, you know we don't require any phone number to create the Gmail ID, so without wasting time let's get started. Now we are on the mobile application screen. We can see all the applications installed on my mobile. You need to click on the search bar. You can see it at the top of the screen. The search bar, I already highlighted it. You have to click on it and type Gmail. Okay, now you can see the Gmail application is being displayed. Let me highlight this one as well. Okay, I am clicking on it now. Alright guys, so we can see we are here. We are on the setup email screen. So this is the first scenario. I will demonstrate two different scenarios. The first scenario is when we never sign into any of the Gmail accounts on our device or mobile. In that case, when we click on the Gmail icon, the application will navigate us to the setup email screen directly. So this is the one scenario. Another scenario? Let me go back again, okay. So now this is the second scenario when the device already has and signed in with the one Gmail ID. So in that case when we click on Gmail, it will show this screen where our Gmail ID and their inbox are being displayed. Okay, so don't worry about it. I will tell you how to reach the setup email screen. Okay, so what do we need to do? Let me highlight this one. We have to click on this icon. Okay, now I am clicking on this icon. Now I can see add another account. Here is one option, add another account. Okay, guys. We need to click on it. And boom, right? We are now on the setup email screen. So these are the two different scenarios that I would like to demonstrate to you guys, so you guys don't get confused. Ok. Now let's move on. This is the Google. As we are here. To create the Gmail account we need to click on Google. I have clicked on Google. Once you click on Google it will redirect you to the sign-in screen. So what do we need to do here? We need to click on the Create Account button. Let me highlight the button. We have to click on the Create Account option to create a personal account. This email ID will be for my personal use only. So I am clicking on my personal use, and now you can see the sign up screen here. It is asking for the first name and last name, so I am putting my first name and last name. In case you don't enter any last name, app will not show any error. Now I am clicking on the next button. You can see here. This is the next button. Okay. I am clicking on it. Now yeah, it's asking for your birth date. So the first field is for the month, then the day and the year, and below that you can see the gender. So let me put my date of birth. Try to give your correct date of birth because sometimes it also helps you to recover your password. When you forget your password you can recover your password by using the date of birth option. So I'm selecting my gender as male. Now click on the next button. You can see them at the bottom right corner. Let me highlight this one again. Here is the next button. We have to click on the next. So now we are on the page where we have to choose the Gmail ID. So guys, I will request you choose a unique email ID, otherwise you will get the error from the Google site. Like this email ID is not available. Okay, so let me enter my unique email ID Manish and the sum digit over here. Let's wait. As we can see this email ID does not exist in the system of Gmail, so it allows me to use the same email ID. Now we have to enter a strong password, like a combination of digit and alphanumeric etc. And now click on the next button. You can see at the bottom of this next button. Now the application is asking for the add a phone number, and guys, at the start of the video we promised to create a Gmail ID without a phone number. So yeah, here's the trick. I am clicking on the skip. Here you can see the skip and boom. Now it is asking to review your Gmail ID. Yeah, that is correct. So again, I am clicking on the next button at the bottom right. Yeah, here. Next. Now this is our privacy terms and conditions screen. We have to scroll down at the bottom. Again, we have to click on the agree button. If you want to read this out then this is on you, but let me click on the I agree button. And boom. Now, we can see our new Gmail ID here, Manikayadav7179. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like my video please comment in the comment box and tell me whether the Gmail ID was created successfully or not. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.